It is that time of the year, tax season now just around the corner, and this year the deadline is back to April 15th. We've got answers to all of your questions. Joining me right now is the Millennial Taxpert Kesha Jontae. Kesha, great to have you today. Thanks for being here. All right, let's get right to it. What does our audience need to know most right now as tax day gets closer?
Sure. So the biggest thing that everybody needs to know is that the starting date for tax season has been pushed back to February 12th this year, which is about 3 weeks later than normal. But the actual due date, as you said earlier, is still April 15th as of now. Obviously, that could change at some point between now and then. But as of right now, the start date is February 12th and the due date is still April 15th. Another thing that people really need to know is that last year, a lot of people pulled unemployment because of the pandemic, and unemployment compensation is taxable. A lot of people don't realize that, but unemployment compensation is definitely still taxable. So make sure that when you are going to get your taxes prepared, you make sure you have that document that states how much unemployment compensation that you received. Speaking of unemployment compensation, if your dependent child worked and also was able to pull unemployment last year, which was the case for a lot of people, they also may have a filing requirement and be required to pay taxes. So make sure you talk to your tax professional to see if that is the case for your child. And if you did not get your full stimulus payment during the year, then you may be able to claim that rebate recovery credit on your return to get that stimulus payment that you missed if you still qualify with your 2020 tax return.
Kesha, let me ask you more about the implications of what we've all just been through over the last COVID year. A lot of people work from home. A lot of people have changed what they're doing in terms of work and the approach there, not commuting, like I said, working from home. Are there any tax implications about that? Because this is going to hit a lot of people, given the fact that we were on lockdown for so long.
Excuse me, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked that. I've been working from home myself since March, so this is something that I've been looking into for myself as well. Unfortunately, for 2020, there is no tax deduction for being able to work from home on your federal tax return. So we used to be able to deduct employee-related expenses, which included working from home, being able to deduct a portion of your mortgage interest, real estate taxes, rent if you rented, utilities. And with so many people being working from home in 2020, this is something that has come up a lot. But due to tax reform, in tax reform, they actually took out that deduction for employees. Now, if you started a business in 2020 or you were working a business in 2020, that deduction is still available to you. But if you are a W-2 employee, then unfortunately that deduction is no longer available. Also, if you worked in multiple states during the year, then it is possible that you might have a tax requirement, a filing requirement in multiple states. So a lot of people took the opportunity to kind of travel socially distanced, of course, throughout the states during 2020. Yeah. And in that case, you may end up having a filing requirement in all the states that you worked in.
That is a really great point, Kesha. I'm so glad you made it. We're going to keep following all the important notes we need going into April 15th, so we'll have you back soon. Kesha, thank you so much for the great info. Kesha Jontae. We'll be right back.